In this video, we'll use the AI Hairstyle template as an example to show you how to install the SeaAI theme and quickly launch your own AI website. Before we get started, make sure you have two things ready: the SeaAI installation package you purchased and the WordPress website that is already set up. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance, click Upload Theme, and upload the SeaAI theme package. Once the upload is complete, click Activate to enable the theme. Next, open Install Plugins from the sidebar menu. Install and activate the built-in BM Content Builder plugin. After that, find Import Demo under the Theme menu in the sidebar. If you don't see it right away, simply refresh the page and check again. Now you will enter the Demo Import page. Choose the AI template you want to use and click Import. Wait for about 1 minute, and you will see a completion message. Your website template has now been successfully imported. Open your WordPress homepage, and you can see the imported AI website design. At this point, the website is ready, but the AI generation feature has not been connected yet. Next, go to the RunningHub website. First, make sure you have added some credits to your wallet. Then select the Enterprise Share tab and copy your API key. Go back to WordPress, paste the API key into the SeaAI settings, and save the changes. Now let's test it. Upload a portrait image and start generating . If you see a message saying that you don't have enough credits, go to the User Settings page and manually add credits to your account. Return to the home page, generate again, and your AI image website is now fully working. That's it. You have successfully launched your AI website with SeaAI.